Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I am going to show you how to apply for pandemic unemployment assistance of up to $18,000. This is also known as pandemic assistance benefits, and I will tell you step by step how you can do that. I will tell you all the eligibility criteria, as well as I will show you the application and take you on a tour of it step by step, so you can understand that how you can apply for it and how you can get it. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 loan for no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right here in front of you, here is an amazing opportunity. Yes, and this time is from US Department of Labor, as you can see right here. Yes, you can still apply for your unemployment insurance relief during this pandemic outbreak. Yes, a lot of people must be thinking, oh, it's not coming and it's over, we cannot do that. No, you only need to search for the opportunities, and one of them is right in front of you, and especially on Credit Viral channel. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon, and please like this video. It helps the channel grow, and it also motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So right here, as you can see, that this is the website of US Department of Labor, and this is the CARES Act. Yes, it's still going on. You can still apply for it, and how you can apply and where do you can apply, I am going to show you now. When you scroll down right here, you can see under the headline of how do I apply, you will see this one right here. You should contact your state unemployment insurance program as soon as possible after becoming unemployed. So if you're unemployed, you can still do it. So all you need to do, when you scroll down, you need to click right here on state's unemployment insurance program. You click on it and this window will appear. So right here, you need to select your state. Right, so right here I'm going to click on Illinois, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So for an example, it's Illinois right here. So as soon as I click on it, it will actually show me right here the website I need to go to. Remember, the websites and the applications are similar, pretty much similar for every state. So this is an example right in front of you, so I'm going to show you. So let's click on it. 3, 2, 1, let's click. So as soon as I click on it, this website will open. Yes, this is Illinois Department of Unemployment, or you can say Employment Security. So right here, when you scroll down, right, you need to click right here on certify for payments of PUA, pandemic unemployment assistance benefits. Right, so right here you need to click on it. So I'm going to click right with you, and then it will open the application, right, and then I will take you on a tour of it step by step. A little overview that unemployment insurance is a state operated insurance program. Yes, keep that in mind. Your state also have its own unemployment insurance program, so don't wait for the federal to come and rescue you, because all you need to do, you need to search for opportunities, right? So when you do that, and that's how you come across the channel just like Credit Viral, where we tell you the amazing opportunities you need to know. So please like this video, it really helps the channel, right? So let's scroll down and click right here on certify for payments of PUA benefits. So as soon as I click on it, this page will open, and right here you can see there are 5 questions, and you need to answer them in either yes or no. These are known as initial questions, and the first one is, are you unemployed as a result of pandemic? You need to click yes. Remember, be truthful in these applications, because if you lie in it, it will have severe consequences on your life and career. So please keep that in mind. Have you filed an unemployment claim in any state other than Illinois? I did not, so I clicked no. Were you employed or working entirely in a state other than Illinois since this date? Click no. Were you employed with the military or federal government since this date? I was not, so of course it's no. And have you filed an Illinois unemployment claim and have been denied since this date? If you are, then click yes. Then of course it's gonna take you to a next page, so I am going to click right here. I hereby certify that the above information is true and correct to the best of my knowledge. Now let's click next, and it's 3, 2, 1. Let's click. So as soon as I click on it, it will take me to this page, and it's known as claimant authentication. The first one, they require your social security number, then you need to confirm it, then they require your date of birth, and then of course your gender, it's male or female, your first name as it appears on your social security card, so keep that in mind. Your middle initials if you have any, your last name, your suffix if you have any, your driver license number or state ID number. Yes, you can use either of them. Your weight issued by the state, of course the driver license, and then you need to click on it and select by the drop down menu right here, and then enter your email address and re-enter your email address, and then click next. When you do that, it will actually take you on the final page, and then final page will allow you to put the information that is internal to your tax returns. So please keep that in mind. I always advise you, remember, never ever lie in any of these applications. And you know that on Credit Viral channel we always upload great opportunities for you, so please like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and it also motivates us to bring more great content just for you. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember that this application, it's not here for long, so please fill it as soon as possible if you think and you know that you are eligible for it. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.